So let's get to this. See, this door is not opening from outside. Even when the doors are unlocked, it's not gonna open from outside, but when I go inside to open it, it opens from inside. So only when you're sitting inside you're able to open it, but when you're outside you cannot open it. So let's figure this out. This is out, and then here we go, and we'll see why it is not opening, because it's loose, it's broken loose from inside. And this is actually an easy fix before you go ahead and pay hundreds of dollars to... I'm making a video, baby.